Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a shadow in Photoshop. Okay, there are many ways to remove shadows. I'll show you two ways. In this picture, another picture like that, that have a clear background. You just choose object selection tool and select shadow with lasso move. After selection, go to select and modify and expand. I think in this picture 10 is good. Now click on OK. Now go to edit and click on fill. Click on content ever. Click on content ever and the opacity 100%. Click on OK. And you can see the shadow removed. Go to select and deselect. You can see the shadow removed. Let me show you another way with another picture. You can see in this picture the shadow has stuck to subject, and if I do that word for this picture, it won't really good. So for this picture, I copied the layer with Ctrl J, and in new layer I select subject, without her shadow. Okay, now go to select and click on inverse. Now make a layer mask. Okay. Now select the shadow with lasso tool. Click on that for another part of shadow. Okay. I did that work on layer thumbnail. Now go to edit and click on fill again. Click on OK. You can see the shadow very well removed. Click on Ctrl D for select. The video is finished. Goodbye guys.